In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable remote desktop on Windows 10. So what you need to do here is on your search bar here, okay, type in settings, okay, type in settings and go to your settings. And then once you're on your settings here, so you need to click on this system option here. So click on the system option, okay. So open up system. So once you're here, on your left side here, if you scroll down, you will see all the way down, you will see an option called remote desktop. Click on it, okay. When you click on remote desktop here, you will see there is an option called enable remote desktop. If it's turned off, so all you have to do is to tap on the switch to turn it on. So this will ask you for a confirmation whether you want to enable it. Hit confirm, okay, and there you go, you have now enabled your desktop connection. And furthermore, you can also tweak these settings here. There are some settings here which you can also look into and tweak it based on your requirements and needs, okay. So you can just have a look at that as well, and that's basically how you do it.